Have you ever pondered the unique challenges that seaplane and amphibious aircraft operations face compared to their land-based counterparts? Well, you're about to find out. Seaplanes and amphibious aircraft, which can take off and land on water, aren't your everyday planes. They operate in a unique environment that presents an array of challenges, from the need for different pilot skills and equipment to varying weather and water conditions. The very nature of these aircraft demands a higher level of adaptability. For instance, pilots must be adept at reading water conditions, just as they would read runway conditions on land. They must also be skilled at maneuvering their aircraft in potentially choppy waters. As for the aircraft themselves, they must be robust enough to withstand the harsh realities of water operations, including saltwater corrosion and wave impact. Further, safety considerations for these types of aircraft are unique and require additional attention. These range from the risk of capsizing during water operations to the need for effective water rescue capabilities. Now let's dive into a case study that perfectly illustrates these challenges and opportunities. Imagine a city where water replaces roads. Welcome to Venice. In this city of canals, gondolas glide gracefully through the water, transporting residents and tourists alike. But what if we could take to the skies as easily as we take to the water? That's where seaplanes and amphibious aircraft come into play. Venice's unique geography makes it an ideal location for these types of operations. With waterways crisscrossing the city, there's no shortage of potential landing spots. But it's not just about convenience. The city's reliance on watercraft for transportation means there's a ready-made market for seaplane services. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. The potential for seaplane operations in Venice, while exciting, is not without its challenges. One of these is the development of the electric seaplane market. As the world moves towards more sustainable forms of transportation, the aviation industry is no exception. Electric seaplanes offer a cleaner, quieter alternative to their fossil-fueled counterparts. However, their adoption is not without hurdles. Developing electric seaplanes that can match the performance and reliability of conventional aircraft is a significant engineering challenge. Then there's the question of infrastructure. Seaplane docks, charging facilities, maintenance centers, all these need to be established and integrated into the existing transportation network. And we cannot forget about the regulatory landscape. Aviation is one of the most heavily regulated industries in the world, and for good reason. Safety is paramount, and ensuring that electric seaplanes meet stringent safety standards is a non-negotiable prerequisite. So while Venice presents a unique opportunity for seaplane operations, it also exemplifies the challenges faced by the industry. But with every challenge comes the opportunity for innovation, and the potential rewards are enormous. After all, who wouldn't want to soar above the city of canals, taking in the breathtaking views from the comfort of an electric seaplane? Like any industry, seaplane and amphibious aircraft operations face their fair share of hurdles. The journey from concept to production and operation of these unique aircraft is fraught with challenges. Let's dive into some of these difficulties in more detail. Firstly, funding is a significant hurdle. Developing a new aircraft, especially one that can operate in both air and water environments, requires substantial financial resources. The cost of research and development, manufacturing, certification, and operation can be prohibitive. A lack of sufficient funding can cause projects to stall or even cease altogether. Secondly, market competition is fierce. The aviation industry is already competitive, and the niche market for seaplanes and amphibious aircraft is no different. Existing manufacturers with established products and brand recognition can make it difficult for new players to gain a foothold. But it's not all doom and gloom. The industry is ripe for innovation, and there's a growing interest in environmentally friendly aviation solutions. This opens up opportunities for new players who can bring fresh ideas to the table and shake up the status quo. Innovation is vital in this industry. Whether it's the design of the aircraft, the materials used, or the propulsion systems, there's always room for improvement and innovation. The companies that can innovate and differentiate themselves from the competition are the ones that will succeed. But innovation alone is not enough. In addition to developing new technologies, manufacturers also need to consider how their products will integrate into existing infrastructure. This includes everything from airports and runways to air traffic control systems and regulatory frameworks. Moreover, the industry needs to foster a culture of collaboration. Manufacturers, operators, regulators, and other stakeholders need to work together to address these challenges and drive the industry forward. This collaborative approach will not only help to overcome the hurdles, but also ensure the sustainable growth of the seaplane and amphibious aircraft sector. Despite these challenges, there are companies that have managed to make their mark in this arena. Meet Harbour, a pioneer in electric seaplane aviation. With an unwavering commitment to innovation, this company has been carving out a niche in the seaplane industry, setting the pace for others to follow. Harbour's journey is not just about being the first, it's about overcoming the unique challenges that come with seaplane operations. Funding hurdles, market competition, and the inherently complex nature of amphibious aviation are just a few of the obstacles this trailblazer has had to navigate. Yet, Harbour has not only weathered these storms, but has also soared to new heights. Their accomplishments are not just a testament to their grit and determination, but they also underscore the immense potential that lies within the seaplane industry. From securing necessary financing to navigating market competition, Harbour's success story is one of resilience and ingenuity. They've shown that with the right blend of innovation, drive, and a dash of daring, it's possible to make waves in this unique sector of aviation. But as much as we celebrate their achievements, we must also acknowledge the challenges they've faced. The journey to success in the seaplane industry is not without its fair share of turbulence. It's a path that requires not only a pioneering spirit, but also a keen understanding of the industry's unique dynamics. And let's not forget about the elephant in the room: safety. As with any form of aviation, safety is paramount in seaplane operations. Despite their successes, Harbour, like all operators in this field, must continually grapple with safety concerns. Harbour's story is a testament to the potential of seaplane operations, but safety remains a key concern in this industry. While seaplanes offer unique advantages, they also come with their own set of safety concerns. Navigating the skies in an aircraft that can land on water presents a unique set of challenges that are distinct from those of conventional land-based aviation. The most prominent of these concerns lies in the fact that seaplanes and amphibious aircraft have a higher proportion of fatal accidents. This is particularly pertinent during the maneuvering flight phases. In these instances, decision-making errors can have dire consequences. The stakes are high and the margin for error is small. Why is this the case? It is largely due to the complex nature of operating an aircraft that can transition between sky and water. Pilots must not only be proficient in conventional flight operations, but also in handling the unique characteristics of water landings and takeoffs. This complexity, coupled with changing weather conditions and the unpredictable nature of water surfaces, can increase the risk of accidents. What can be done to mitigate these risks? A recent study suggests implementing additional warning systems and providing more extensive training for pilots. It's about arming those at the helm with the knowledge and tools to make the right decisions at the right time. For instance, a warning system could alert pilots to potential hazards during the crucial maneuvering phases of flight, thereby reducing the chance of an accident. Furthermore, it's not just about equipping the aircraft and training the pilots. It's also about fostering a culture of safety within the industry. This means encouraging open dialogue about safety concerns, learning from past accidents, and constantly striving for improvement. Safety is paramount, and addressing these concerns is crucial for the future of the industry. As we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in aviation, we must ensure that safety remains at the forefront of our efforts. After all, the sky is the limit, but only if we can navigate it safely. Seaplane and amphibious aircraft operations present a fascinating blend of opportunities and challenges. We've uncovered how the unique geography of a city like Venice, where water replaces the road, can create a niche for these types of aircraft. Yet, the industry isn't without its hurdles. Funding, market competition, and the need for continuous innovation are just some of the challenges faced by manufacturers and operators alike. We've also seen how pioneers like Harbour have navigated these challenges, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric seaplane aviation. However, safety remains a paramount concern. The higher proportion of fatal accidents in seaplane and amphibious operations underscores the need for additional warning systems, improved training, and better decision-making strategies. Looking ahead, the future of the industry appears promising yet complex. With the resurgence of amphibious aircraft operations and the potential for growth in the seaplane sector, there's much to anticipate. As we navigate the skies and seas, the journey of seaplane and amphibious aircraft operations continues to unfold. Stay tuned for more insights.